wouldn't have never known unless I told you. Happy Vlogmas. I gotta stop coming on camera looking at this busted and crusted. But then again, I'm like, we're friends, we're family. Why do I need to come on camera looking my best when this is literally what I look like majority of the time? But yeah, girl, today is Sunday. I'm doing a lot of cleaning today. And I'm trying to make time to wash my hair. But that's the plan for today. Clean. I need to wash clothes. I need to do whatever else I need to do today. So instead of talking about it, let's get it done. Girl, my head is looking a hot mess. So I just was experimenting. I already washed my hair, blow dried it. But y'all, this right here, okay, this is not my hair. I went ahead and put in some of these tape-ins. They're from Betterland. And it's 100% virgin human hair. So I basically wanted more fullness. And the reason why I cut my hair, well, trimmed it, is because it desperately needed it. Like, real bad. My ends were a hot mess. I can't even remember the last time I trimmed my hair after I did the big chop. So it's been a minute, y'all. So yeah, I trimmed my hair really, really good. And now what I'm gonna do is, so if I wanna do my puff again, it's actually gonna be a little bit longer with the tape ends. I put in like 6 in my hair, and I can't even tell y'all how I did it. Girl, I bootlegged these tape ends. I didn't even use a flat iron to press it together. I just stuck them in there. I guess I'll show y'all how. I'll try to, let's kind of part it right here. So I basically would get, girl, I'm in here doing the most, but this is how they look. So I take this sticker, I guess I'll do another one. I mean, why not? And now I did watch some tutorials on this. They have some tutorials where they don't use the flat iron to, you know, lock it in the hair. And that's what I wanted, because it's gonna be temporary, y'all. Like, when I say it's gonna be temporary, it's gonna be temporary. I'm gonna do right here. So I get the sticky side of the tape in, and this is so bootleg and janky, but I get it as close to the part as possible, and I press it in there like that. And then I take my little comb edge brush and I part that piece. And when I part it, I'm actually picking up some of my hair. So my hair is on top of the sticky part. And then, and I want to make it as thin as possible. Like, let me get a little bit more of that hair off. Okay. Because I like to still be able to kind of see it right there, so that way it can stick to the other piece. So I take the other piece and I take the sticker off. And I just go right over where, like, I put it on right here, like right there. And I stick it on there. And it's actually in there really good. I take my fingers and press both of them together. Like, it is in there, y'all. And this, it's not coming out. Because I'm gonna wear a ponytail anyway. So I don't have to worry about it. And the texture is very, very similar to my natural hair. So that's what I wanted. I just wanted more fullness and also a little bit more length. So yeah, now this is kind of hard to brush through. So I just hold it and take my brush and kind of brush it out a little bit. I don't have to have it all the way brushed out because, I mean, I'm gonna have it in a ponytail anyway. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it up in a pony. I'm gonna take some of my, look at this, y'all. Girl, you would have never known unless I told you that I put tape ends in my hair. Look how this looks just like the texture of my natural hair before I blow dried. Well, before I blow dried it. It literally looks like the same texture of my natural hair. And I am about to put her up in a bun. I'm gonna probably, like, either tomorrow or Tuesday do my puff. So I'll define the curls more with like my Eco Styler gel and all of that. But right now I'm just gonna wear a high ponytail. And you wanna know what's crazy? I got this hair from the hair company that I bought my first headband wig, and I did not like that headband wig because it shed so much. But the reviews I was looking at, well, not the reviews, but the tutorials I was looking at on YouTube, they were using this hair from Better Length. And I just love the texture, y'all. Like, this is honestly so natural looking, and I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna put this on. So I did end up cleaning today. I got laundry done. This is hard to put on with this. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna keep it like this. Just like this, because I'm not trying to do much to this head. Boom. We're just gonna do a messy bun. Just like that, y'all. And I will tend to it tomorrow. You guys, stuff is starting to roll in for my office. These are little storages that I thought were so nice. And I got them off of Amazon. Of course, y'all know I just be on Amazon every single day. But they're 3 different sizes. The larger one's at the bottom, then the medium, and then the small. I'll open this one so you can see what it looks like. But I think you're supposed to just open it up like this. It's hard to do it with one hand. Let me prop this camera up. Open it up like this, and you can put whatever you want in it. don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I just thought they were really nice and they're gonna look so good on the shelf that I got. So I just ordered that shelf, by the way, so that should be here this week, and I'm gonna put it together and start putting decor up on the shelf. But how nice are these, y'all? I think they're gonna look so good. I cannot wait to finish up this room, as well as my beauty room and the closet, and then I will be good, y'all. I have a long ways to go though, but I'm excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun just decorating and just getting everything in order. I'm taking this out because I just want to see it. They had a black one that I wanted, but it sold out. And I thought this would be cute. But that black, like that black set looked so good. Because that's what I want in this room. I want like pops of black. But I think this looks really good. Really, really good. I can put like, I don't know, pins. I don't know. Girl, I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna use it just for decor. But I mean, even if you don't have anything to go in these, I think they just look really good on the shelf. I think they will look really nice. And yeah, they're so cute. Get it closer to the screen so you can see it. So freaking nice. I love them. And the quality, like they feel really, really, really nice. Like this seems like something that will come from like CB2 or something. It's really, really nice. So that's all I did today, y'all. That is all I did. So the vlog is pretty short again, which is fine. But yeah, girl, I hope you guys had a good Sunday. I really, really, really want to tackle my closet tomorrow, since I'm still waiting on other stuff to come for my other rooms. Well, for this room and then the beauty room. So I think I'm gonna start on the closet tomorrow because I have 2 shipments that came in that I can go ahead and you know, open up and see how it looks in that room. But other than that, I mean, y'all, this is literally like, I don't do much. I really don't do much, and it shows. So I mean, I'm not in the street every day. I'm literally at home all the time, unless I'm going like to pick something up at the store. But all I did today was what you guys saw, and that is it. I did put up the other tree though. I will say that. I'm looking at it right now. I didn't film it because the lighting was just kind of weird in that room, and but it's the white Christmas tree that we always use every year. So we just have it in one of the rooms, and it looks pretty cute. We just got to put the star up on it. But yeah, girl, that is what I was up to today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It is the end of the day, so I am about to go do my skincare, bathe, all of that. And well, of course I need to edit. I just need to edit this clip because I've already edited the other clips, which were not a lot, which weren't even a lot of clips. But anyway, girl, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and we'll see what we get into this week, which should be fun. I have a couple of things planned this week, so if I vlog, you guys will see it. If I don't, then I won't. But other than that, I am about to head out, finish up editing this little clip that I'm doing right now, and I am gonna call it a night. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, girl.